You're not broke because of coffee. Doing the math reveals where your money really goes. Housing, bills, food, and transport. What you'll learn. First, why the coffee advice is backwards. Then, the 3 real money leaks. Next, the biggest leak almost nobody checks. Finally, how to keep your coffee and get ahead. A daily coffee habit adds up to about $100 each month. Coffee spending. Other expenses. Minimal impact compared to essentials like housing, food, and transport. Housing, car, bills, and food are where your money truly goes. The real money leaks are in housing, car, and bills, not your coffee habit. The coffee myth is popular because blaming your coffee is easy. You were never the problem. Look closer. The real money leaks. Number 3, transport. Number 2, food waste. Number 1, housing and bills. Transport costs include fuel, insurance, repairs, and parking. Cars cost far beyond their sticker price. Transport costs break down. Fuel, insurance, repairs, parking, and registration fees quickly add up and impact your paycheck. Food waste includes unplanned lunches, discarded groceries, and costly delivery fees, not your coffee treat. Delivery fees, tips, and markups quietly increase your food spending beyond what you notice. Food waste. Joy spending. Waste from careless food purchases and delivery fees. Spending on treats for happiness and leisure. Feeling less guilty? Like and subscribe if you're done being blamed for small stuff. Now the big one. Leak number 1, housing and bills. Rent, utilities, insurance, phone, internet, and forgotten subscriptions drain your budget unnoticed. Bills add up automatically. Rent contracts, utility bills, phone charges, insurance papers, and subscriptions silently accumulate. 40 to 50% of income drained, automatically deducted before you buy a single coffee. Coffee, bills and housing. Visible, small, and occasional purchases you notice. Silent, automatic, large deductions unnoticed daily. Don't sacrifice wealth building on small stuff. Skipping coffee but overpaying bills is the wrong battle. How to fight big leaks. Audit bills regularly, including rent and utilities. Review and cancel unused subscriptions. Reduce food waste and ordering costs. Keep the coffee. Fight the real battle. Comment below which bill or subscription you forgot. Subscribe and tap the bell to grow your financial knowledge with us. Subscribe now.